Hi, it's Kate. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I will be making Christmas ornaments. I die cut these snowflakes just from basic white cardstock. It's 200 grams. I think nothing fancy, nothing complicated. I use this big die by Tim Holtz. It's stacked snowflakes. And my first step is to glue them to make such a snowflake. And for gluing, I will be using 3D foam squares. And it's absolutely easy gluing. First step is to apply glue dots at the biggest snowflake. If you don't have this die, you have got probably another die at home. It's really up to you. You can use some punch if you have some snowflake, or you can just cut something with scissors. It absolutely doesn't have to be such a snowflake, which I have, but I really love this one. It's beautiful and it was quite expensive, so I like to use my stash for crafting, not just laying them in the drawer. Now it's time for second one. Again, I'm just gluing it. If you don't have foam squares, maybe you have got foam dots, maybe you have got just 3D foam tape. It's important to give it dimension. If you will glue it straight, it will be boring. Boring, not interesting, really boring. If you don't want to have white snowflake, take some patterned paper. It's nice with patterned paper, but I think it's a bit lost. I'm not fan of it, because you are losing the visibility of the sparkling snowflakes. That was my test before tutorial, so I decided no, I need to make it with just with cardstock. So if you don't want to have big snowflake, just make it with 2 layers. It's again up to you. I love crafting that it's so versatile. You can watch some tutorial and you can adapt it to material which you have at home. So you can be just inspired and make it your way. It's absolutely up to you, as I'm always saying. So we are almost done with assembling. This will be beautiful. You see those layers? Finally, I can use my 3D foam squares. I'm usually super lazy in using these. Really, really lazy. It's much more faster to use just 3D foam tape. Cut what you need, bigger parts, but here it's great. It's right product. It doesn't have to be perfect. It needs to be beautiful, but not perfect. Okay, my last snowflake, and now we will make the fun part. So I will just clean my workspace a bit. I have here trash next to me. So this is snowflake and it looks boring, but we have got product called sparkles in many different colors, and I will use gold one. You can apply sparkle at any kind of glue, or if you want to make more dimensional snowflake, use some 3D snow. It's usually in such kind of tube. Viva Decor, it's firm who is making like tons of different products, and I'm not sure if it's working. It's working. It's a little bit stuck there, and I will apply this around randomly around my snowflake. I'm not sure if I will. No, I will glue. I will use glue because you don't want to sit and watch me for a week. It's very old and it's not working anymore. So just here and there. This glue, this is Nuvo Deluxe. Nuvo is by Tonic Studios. It dries clear, so it will not be visible. We are not going for any perfection. We are just making interesting snowflake. And I think this is the most funny part, to apply glue and sprinkle sparklers over it. Then we have to wait till this side is dry, and then we can apply sparkles to another side of our snowflake, and we will make a hole, add a string or some white or gold thread, and we can hang our ornaments to the tree. So I'm not sure if you can see it. There is glue. You will see it in a minute. I need this. So I will be using gold dust and sprinkle it heavily over snowflake. Okay. I need to, here. Tap, tap, tap. I have sparkles like everywhere. I forgot middle. I need something in the middle. It's boring. But you see how beautiful are these sparkles? Absolutely beautiful. And you can make many kind of ornaments like this, because we have got like tons of sparkles. And here it is, our snowflake. Of course, when it will be dry, I will again tap. There are some sparkles where they shouldn't be, but that's everything. That's really everything what you need. I will show you. I will just clean this and show you before end of the video what I did for another tutorial. I used another sparkles. For example, here it's copper file. Oh, here are, I don't know the name. I have here gold one. So use sparkles which you have at home. It's really great product for Christmas crafting, and you can make your ornaments. And I have got 3 cats at home, and this kind of ornament, they will not destroy. It's very firm. So thank you very much for your time, and I wish you have a nice day.